Hey guys, it's time for Monday Musing. So, as promised, I'm going to talk today about the idea that sometimes we marry our parents. I was busy editing my book this weekend, and I was looking at the part on the 11 reasons that marriages most often struggle or fail. And this is one of them, so I thought I would share a little bit about that. But the idea that we sometimes marry our parents is a phenomenon known as recapitulation and mastery. You watch your mouth, right? Recapitulation occurs when we repeat a process during our development and growth. And mastery, of course, refers to the psychological force that stimulates us to solve problems and master a skill or a task. So in this case, we're talking about mastering a relationship. And the theory is that people will marry people who help them resolve their unfinished business with their parent. So if your relationship with your parental figure didn't go the way you wanted when you were growing up, or even if it did, you may pick someone similar to that parent in obvious or even subtle ways in a subconscious effort to recreate that parental dynamic and master it, if you will. So, for example, maybe you inadvertently marry someone who has a hard time expressing emotions or is passive aggressive like your mom, and the two of you struggle to understand each other. Or maybe you marry someone who is dramatic or critical like your dad, and you never feel good enough for them. The idea is that the brain wants to feel safe. And these characteristics, though they're uncomfortable, are familiar and predictable, which means less angst and anxiety for the psyche, for the brain, for our consciousness. Now, these relationships aren't doomed to fail, but you do have to be mature and get help to overcome bad patterns, or you're destined to stay stuck in them. So if you feel like you've given in to that tendency that some people find themselves in, where they married someone like a parent and it's causing some problems, stay tuned. My book will give you more information on how to overcome that. Thanks for watching.